Good evening, this is Captain 83A coming to you from the airport lounge. Tonight, Air China, Boeing 777-300 by skymarks in the scale 1-200. Air China has a total of 280 aircraft in their fleet. Among them, the Boeing 777-300, the 747 Intercontinental, and the 787 Dreamliner, and other aircraft as well. Air China flies to numerous destinations: Los Angeles, Newark, New Jersey, Washington, Dulles, New York John F. Kennedy International Airport, and several other cities. Now I'm going to give you a tour of the aircraft. Air China was formed in 1987, originally as CAAC before becoming Air China. Now I'm going to give you a first off the sag ports, PO tubes, the cockpit windshield, and windshield wipers. Air China is a member of Star Alliance. There you see the Chinese flag, the Air China. Writing in Chinese, which I don't understand. 2 General Electric GE90s come on the wings of the 777-300. This is my 6th 777-300. And I'll give you a glimpse of the front of the aircraft, Air China, and China. And the registration of this aircraft, Bravo 2006. Yeah, you can see it right there. The Air China livery. Now I'm going to bring it over to the APU. There you see the APU right there. Tailplanes. I'll be with you in 1 second. The APU and the tailplanes, the horizontal stabilizer, the Air China livery, the registration of this aircraft, Air China, and stand up towards the front of the aircraft. Let's come along the leading edges of the wings. And the 2 General Electric GE90s. Air China. The main galley door that you see there. And the cockpit. Air China is a 5-star carrier according to Skytrax magazine. Now, Air China's code, their customer code with Boeing is H4. Now, that's it for this aircraft review. I would just like to say thank you very much for watching this video. And like always, like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, from the airport lounge, this is Captain 83E signing off for now.